Okay, work on that stance a little bit. There you go. Okay. Let's try a couple shots. Okay, see where you're hitting? See those first three?
Oh, right, yeah.
Right at the back ring there? Okay, so what do you got to do? Even though, yeah, just bring it up a little bit, and you'll be shooting right to center target. Just walking it up there. There you go. Well, we can zoom in on this. How do you zoom? Can you zoom? That's it. Next mag. Okay.
So that's...
All right. Okay, go ahead. You have to, let's see what you got here. Okay, we're empty. Go ahead and drop the magazine. There's a button.
Yep.
There you go. Okay. Drop that on out. Don't put that on YouTube. Okay. And this one is already locked to the rear.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead and just, it's not. You're going to have to cock it. Okay. You're still on fire, so off you go. All right, when that happens, there you go. Now, what's probably happened here